not that was something that was in your past or something that's gonna happen. Just like try to embrace everything that goes on around in your day, and it could be like the smallest things too. So to live in the present.
취향이라는 게 나도 있어가지고 아니 난 그냥 아무나 자자고 하면 그냥 아무렇게나 내가 자고 그런 사람인 줄 알아?
너무 소극적이야. 감정이 없잖아.
By waiting for the perfect moment. You do it by showing up every single day, regardless of how you feel. No one cares how you feel. You do it anyways. That's how you win the game, with the mentality of, I do it anyways.
그럼 무대포 정신! 무대포! 무대포!
물 한잔하고.
그게 필요하다.
생활비 얼마 남았나?